the good looks.
Why have you got balloons, Tristan? Oh yeah, because it's your birthday. Because it's your birthday. So, as you've just saw it, it's Tristan's birthday. We're going out to Disney Springs. We're going to have a meal at the T-Rex Cafe for his birthday. And he has to have 2 balloons attached to him. That is a deal. That is what Chris and Deb fetched for him. Ha! So we have made it through bag search. And we are now in Disney Springs. I can't talk whilst that is going on behind me. And we're going to head down to T-Rex Cafe for Tristan's birthday. And there we have it, the T-Rex Cafe. Rawr. Here we go, back in time. Na, 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 na. Oh my God, we've got fire! Fire! And ice. Uh-oh. We're having a meteor shower. Oh no! They're hitting the ice cave. Why is nobody running? Oh, is it over? So right here we have a, when I find it on the menu, where is it? Right here we have a tropical painkiller, which is Smirnoff pineapple vodka, Tropics pina colada, and citrus juices. And you get to keep the glass. And Emma and Debbie have got a Journey to the Center, which is a Don Q Crystal Rum, Cruzan Mango Rum, Cruzan Strawberry Rum, Triple Sec Fruit Juices, and Finest Call Grenadine. Is it good?
And were you guys ready to move?
So Emma, how was your cocktail?
Bloomin' lovely.
Bloomin' lovely. And let me have a try of mine right here. Ooh, I like that a lot. Have a quick try of Emma's. That tastes a lot stronger.
It should. It's got.
But I like mine. For starters, I went for the tomato and basil soup, or as they say here, tomato and basil. And Emma's gone for the mozzarella sticks. Same as Ellie over here. That looks good. So let me have a go with this soup. Very nice. One thing that's missing that you would get back in England is a piece of bread. You don't get bread here.
No.
So how was your mozzarella sticks? Good. They're very good. Very nice.
They're different because they're like in a butter, not a breadcrumb.
They're what, sorry?
They're like in a butter, not a
Right.
breadcrumb.
So I got the boneyard, which is rotisserie chicken and barbecue ribs. And I got the New York strip. Debbie got some prawns.
Shrimp.
Prawns.
Shrimp.
Chicken,
Rotisserie
pasta, and I'm
chicken.
not even going to go close to that
chicken.
white
It's a fried
stuff.
chicken. It's a fried chicken.
Yeah, but it's what that sauce is. So I'm gonna have a dig into
They were
this.
sitting right there.
Imagine. Anything is possible over this.
Apparently so.
So I'm gonna dig into the chicken first. Get a look at that. Oh, that's good chicken. Now I'm not sure there's a easy way to eat these ribs without making a mess. Oh, they're nice. The meat literally falls off the bone, and the sauce is very nice. How was that, Emma? How was the food? Good! Once again, the meteor shower's coming.
If not, then I'll just pay cash.
There he is, Chris the caveman, worried about all these dinosaurs around him. They're just a source of food to him. So that was T-Rex for Tristan's birthday. Very, very nice. Very expensive. Yes. Anywho, we're going to have a quick look across that World of Disney, see what Disney souvenirs we can find whilst there. Come on. There's lots and lots of 50th merch. Look at this. A whole section of World of Disney dedicated to the 50th. Nice 50th backpack with iridescence. And that one is, let me see, $54.99 plus tax. Hooded sweatshirt. Oh, that's quite nice in the back. And that one is $64.99. So that's actually more expensive than the backpack. I like this t-shirt. I like this one a lot. His vest there is iridescent. What's the price of this one? I might get this one. $24.99 plus sales tax. That's not too bad. That's more realistically priced. So that'll just about do it for our trip to Disney Springs for Tristan's birthday. Chris is crying because it's our last night together, and he flies back off to San Antonio tomorrow, whilst we knuckle down and wait for Hurricane Ian. Whoop whoop chicken soup.
Yeah.
Not. Anywho, I shall see you all tomorrow.
And now it's time to do your job.
Do it. Do it now.